This is the story of my life.
I started my life on February 17th, 1941 at the age of 0. My mother said I was a perfect baby, but I gave them a really good scare at 6 months by almost dying of an infection. No penicillin in those days. I was really good in school. I was a very good student, and I realized, haha, school is your thing. So I proceeded to go through elementary school. Then I went to a girls' Catholic high school where I really did shine. I graduated with honors, and I went on to St. John's University. At St. John's, I wanted to be a doctor, but in those days, the opportunities were not there for women. So I decided to become a teacher, and I got a BS in Ed and an MS in Ed, and I also got the Student Teaching Award when I graduated. I taught at Seaford High School for 30 years, and during that career, I taught science. Science was my passion. I was able to create a lot of different kinds of lessons. I wrote curriculum. So my creative side really came out, and this is where I learned to write. When I was a kid, I loved Nancy Drew. In the last 10 years of my high school career, I taught forensic science. And then I went on to Hofstra to teach forensic science for 11 years. So during that time, Nancy Drew kept popping into my head, and CSI became popular, and I started to write my books. The books are called Annie Tillery Mysteries, and I've written 2, and I call them Nancy Drew Meets CSI because that's actually how they happened. I did have passions, and one of them was sailing. I owned a sailboat with a husband for about 10 years, and every summer, because he was a teacher too, we would take off at the end of June, and on August 1st, we would turn around and come back home. So we lived on the sailboat. The other passion I have is traveling. I've been to France, I've been to Alaska, China, Turkey. Last summer I was in Africa where I worked in an orphanage. The athletic activity that I most enjoy though is cross-country skiing, and I've been cross-country skiing for 40 years. And I'm happy that at this ripe old age of mine that I can still do it. I belong to a ski club. I have a son, and he's been very encouraging in my writing career. He has helped me so much with computer things, and he keeps encouraging me. And so I've done really a lot of kinds of programs with the book. I've gone to Fire Island Lighthouse, where I did a program where the kids did a scavenger hunt and then ended up writing a mystery story. Now moving on to senior citizens, because I do work with another author. Her name is Karen Bonet, and we talk to senior citizens about a career change after 55. Those years in teaching set me up as a writer, and here I am. I'm an author. Life is a gift. One to a customer. You better make the best of it. And I really think that people need to look around in their life and try to leave things better than they found them.